Hi everyone, welcome to Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to break down a beef tenderloin, how to peel one at home, and save yourself some money.
Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
First step is to take off all the excess skin layer on the top. All you do is just take your nails, drape it down. Next, we're going to take off the strap. So I'm going to grab my fingers, go sideways. Peel it down, peel it down. This is the tail. This is for the help. Next, you're going to flip it over. You're going to follow this side, take out that piece. Now you have your tenderloin here, sectioned out. You're going to grab the tip of your knife, run it down the side, and then it's going to open up. Now we're going to remove the silver skin, which is right here. So all you're going to do is grab your knife, angle it a little bit up, pull, and run through. Next, we're going to flip it over. We're going to take care of the head piece. So at the top of the head, there's always one little piece of silver skin. So you're going to take it and just take it off and run it down. Now what I like to do is take off some of the fat on the belly. So I'll go down, take my knife, and just scrape down. Just like this. Discard this. And there you have it. Perfectly peeled beef tenderloin. So there you go. Now you see how easy it is to break down a beef tenderloin. You see how cost effective it is. A peeled beef tenderloin at the store will cost you a little bit more, but peeling it at home is a very easy way to save some money. As always, a new episode drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me at Chef Jesse Q on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. Love you guys. See you guys next week.